Hey guys, I'm going to give you some guidance on your Saxon 112, some of the things that might be new or that you need reminders on. The first question talks about capacity. And the word capacity, what that means is how much liquid does something hold if we fill it all the way up to the cap. So I want you to be thinking about a gallon of milk or a jug of milk. We have a Gallon Man poster in our classroom on the wall that we've talked about a lot in class. And this is another visual that I like. So you have the big G for a gallon. And remember, qua means 4, so I see 4 quarts inside of the gallon. Inside of each quart is 2 pints. And in the whole gallon, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pints. In each pint, there are 2 cups. So in the whole gallon, there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 cups in a gallon. So number 1 says there are 16 cups of milk in a gallon. If Curtis drinks 4 cups of milk a day, how many days will it take for Curtis to drink a gallon of milk? So I've drawn 16 C's to represent the 16 cups that are in a gallon. Every set of 4 cups is a day that he drank milk. So 1, 2, 3, 4, there's a day's worth of milk. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2 days worth of milk. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another day. And 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another day. How many days did it take him in sets of 4 to drink a whole gallon of milk? 1, 2, 3, 4 days. And do you see that we just took the 16 cups in a gallon of milk and divided it into sets of 4, because each set of 4 represented a day, and it ends up taking us 4 days. 4 days to drink a gallon. Let's use the inverse operation and go backwards. 4 days times 4 cups of milk a day equals 16 cups of milk in all, or a gallon. So our number sentence looks like this. Number 2 has us dividing pepperoni among the parts of the pizzas. So it tells us we divide the first pizza in half, divide the second pizza into fourths, and that THS always means pieces, 4 pieces, so that would be 2, 4. And then divide the last pizza into eighths, and THS means 8 pieces. So this line got me 2, and then 4, and then 6, and then 8. And it says each pizza is going to have 8 pieces of pepperoni. That's what these 8s stand for here. Draw the pepperoni on the pizzas so that each piece has the same amount. So half of 8 means take 8 pepperoni and divide them in half. Well, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So when I take 8 pepperonis and divide them among these 2 halves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, each half has 4 pepperoni. This means take 8 pepperoni and divide it among the 4 fractional pieces. Well, 8 divided into pieces of 4 is 2. So when I start splitting up these 8 pepperoni among these 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, each piece has gotten 2 pepperoni on it. So we're taking 8 pepperoni and dividing it among 8 pieces. Well, what is 8 divided by 8? If I have 8 of something, how many groups of 8 can I make? I can only make one set of 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. So when I take these 8 pepperoni and divide it among the 8 pieces, each slice is only going to get 1 pepperoni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On number 3, you can use mental computation, or if you need to, you can write them vertically with the big number on the top and do the up and over boogie that we do and see how that works for you. On number 4, I would recommend putting this number into the place value house. On this one, this might be confusing you a little bit. It says the number of children that know their 2's in their multiplication facts is 35. So you would do a bar. Here are the multiples of 2, and it's 35 of them. Well, right between the span of 10, which is 30 and 40, right in the middle would be 35. So the children that know their 2's, you would shade your bar like this. So I look at our bar graph here and I see that it's numbered by 10s, skip counting by 10s. So you just have to think about in the middle of a span of 10, half of a set of 10 is 5. So this would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60.